Mm. Good night, everybody. Uh, Apparently, we are live with gazillions of viewers, concurrent viewers. So let's dive into the exercise. Write a function map. Most likely you know this function. In here, you get to write it by yourself. That generalizes modifying each element in a list while maintaining the structure of the list. Here is its signature. Def map the type variables a being the list and a function, and we have the return type. This I don't know, copy shortcut. Maybe this PDF. Copy text. All right. Let's write it below here. Okay, remember we have my list because this types got us in the past. So the good thing of making failures is that you learn. So fail fast. Or, yeah. Okay, time to implement the list. For some reason, I think I want to use this pattern of recursion, but I didn't. I mean, this is a live session. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I have like overall idea, but as you saw in the past, we have made epic fails with some of these problems. That's okay. This is not like how you say the medal prize. So we are all here. We are all here to learn and continue to learn and learn and learn and learn until the end. I want to use this pattern, this recursion. Somehow I think this is the way to go. So I am copying this. Hopefully, the this spaces tabs indents. Now, what can we do here? As much case nil. If this is empty, then the empty list. Okay, so I think I'm going to write define loop. Oh. With with a list, and let's call it space or X in order to, to, to be safe. Okay, and since we are returning a list, we need an accumulator type B because this is the result type. Okay, I'm starting to feel insecure about this. Let's do it. Equals now X. Okay, I'm going to the rise of the screen. I'm going to increment. I have incremented the rise of the screen in this night. let let's have the compiler help us with at least telling us that if we are doing a tail recursive definition. And here we are going to call loop with the ace and nil, which will be of type of this type. Why this type? Because this is the result type. It will accumulate the result. Now, how much time we have? 7 minutes. Ah. Okay, access case nil ACC, the empty list. Case cons X. I think what can we say here? What can we say? Ace. Hopefully we are not getting. Oh my god! The names I am, I don't know what to put in here in the name in order to avoid clashing with this or shadowing variables, shadowing wise, and then here a y. You can choose whatever you want. Well, we have ended at the same problem. Okay, wise. Okay, now the map. Now the call, the recursive call, the tail recursive call. It has to be map. It has to be access as I think they're not we are not defining here any f, but I suppose we can use this. So we are avoiding this. Access the tail. Okay. Now the function. New. Let's see what happens. I can. We have our function f. Where is in this f? By the way, the energy is plugged, so no worries. No worries about the power. So we have our f from A to B, and then here we have f, and x is of type A. So we will end with the B. The accumulator thing I'm missing. I think I'm missing something. Probably the reverse. And okay, look, nice things. Let's suppose we call this with two numbers, 1 and 2, and a function to increment the number. So case nil, no. Case 1, 2 and nil, we will call map with 2 and nil, and the accumulator will be the nil, 1 plus 1, 2. So the accumulator will be 2 and nil. In the next call comes 3 and nil. I think we are going. We need to reverse the list. Hopefully you are 30 minutes. Hopefully you are like. By the way, it is 0 concurrent viewers and average view duration 13 minutes. So I don't know. I don't know what does this mean if there is no one here. That's okay. Let's use the map function. And again, hope for the best. We have our list. Let's comment this. And in here, map. I'm getting rid of these 3. Why is this from another color? I don't know. A1. Now the function. What function can be used? Increment 1. Increment 1 plus 5. Error. Oh, yeah. Required A to B. Well, XA required A to B. I'm not getting this. What's wrong with this? I have this. By the way, I should be calling loop, right? Did you saw that we have map, but the tail recursive function is loop? Imagine that. Well, run again. 6, 7, 8. Nil. 6, 7, 8. Now, the this same function with the empty list and let's have yeah, what's this? Double twinned. Yeah, what's this? Did you solve the error? We have a double here. And we have let's run it again. Okay, so I think that's the map function. You can test this function in a property-based fashion, taking as the Oracle strategy with the base, with the existing implementation of map in the Scala library. Let's take. I want to take a look at the solution for this problem. Let's see if you. 18 minutes. Can we use 2 minutes so we can take a look at the because but most likely that will get us into the field of seeking validation. That I have a pending block entry about validation, but first I want to solve a problem and then write the entry, the block entry. So stay tuned in the website. So here it is, map, the classic map function that you know and love, implemented by you. Look at this beautiful recursive function. We are applying f of x, f to x, and sending the accumulator. We are reversing the list again. This is the reason I want to see the official solution for this problem. So we have solved the problem. Yeah. But now let's since we are now in here, let's just skip up. I think we look at this in Scala. Answer key. The structures. This is the 18 exercise. Again, if you didn't get it, don't worry. Again, try using for right. You'll need to resort to an explicit recursive function. We did it. We resorted to an explicitly recursive function because, as you saw, we copied this this pattern of recursion, and I like it. To be honest, I like it. It's always a good idea to see the things that you can use. And now the answer. They have like three definitions. For right nil list. This is the accumulator. They have H, T, there's the head and the tail, and comes F of H. This is a great abstraction, if you ask me. And in here they are, but this is not a stack safe. But again, you pay the stake safety with another traverse of the entire list with the reverse. For right via full list. In here they are reversing the list internally. We saw that, remember? Last but not least, they have some sort of recursive function. Oh, this is like a kind of mutation, which is great too. Nothing wrong with that. This is great. This is all great. This is a great abstraction, by the way. I didn't want to use. I didn't want to think about it to use full drive, but yeah, this is great. Our solution is great too. We are all great. Don't feel bad. Keep going. Don't dismay. Don't dismay. And have a good night. Thank you very much. I'm not sure when the other video live session will be because I really want to tackle another problem first. I have been delaying this problem for years, procrastinating most likely, or evading. I think it's time to face the computational stuff in that problem and see how it goes. Don't despair. These sessions will be back. Thank you very much. Have a good night.